Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 5b, in which we will practice Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Let's take Tajweed tip number 6 first. Go to tanzeel.net or another website like that, or download a similar app and repeat the verse, any verse, for 5 to 10 times while reciting it with the Qari until you get it right. Especially for Surah Al-Fatiha, which you are reciting almost 25 times every day. So correct this surah first. And select a Qari that you like, whose voice is close to your voice, and whose style you can imitate easily, and who can recite slow. So, for example, here is the menu for tanzeel.net on the left side. So you select the surah and the ayah number, and the Qari, for example, Al-Husari, and the number of repetitions, 9 times, 5 times, whatever, and start playing. And you can also select the translation, so when you recite, you have the feelings of recitation. So let us take Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdu. Don't say Alhamdu. Don't say Alhamdu. No. Al. Al should be clear. Repeat after me 3 times. Al. Al, al, al. There should be sharp start. Al. Okay. And next one is ham, 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 ham. Let's take the word alhamdu, 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 alhamdu. Lillahi. Don't say lillahi. No. Lam is thin here. Repeat. Lillahi, lillahi. Lillahi, lillahi, alhamdulillahi. Repeat. Alhamdulillahi, alhamdulillahi, alhamdulillahi. Rabbi. Ra is thick here. Right? Repeat. Rabbi, 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 Rabbi. Rabbil Alameen. A, that is stretch, and remember, Ain sound should be clear. It's not Alameen, it's Alameen. Maybe you'll need some time to get it out properly. Don't feel shy to shout it, especially when you're alone. Repeat it hundreds of times. It will take only, 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes. Alameen. Repeat it hundreds of times. Repeat after me 3 times. A, a, a. Open your mouth. Alameen. So Alameen, when you stop there, you can stop it 3 ways. Meen twice, or meen 4 times stretch, or meen 6 times stretch. All are okay. Repeat. Rabbil Alameen, Rabbil Alameen, Rabbil Alameen. Let's take the whole verse. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.